This is the favorite game I play. I got people in the left lane who refuse to move over. So instead of going around them, I just stay behind them and annoy them by staying here until eventually they move. In the meantime, I relax. It's right behind him. Now, the red car speeded up in front of me. That's fine, because I got it set at 79 on cruise control. So if he wants to go ahead, I'm not chasing him. I'm just doing my 79 miles an hour. The object of the game is for the car in front of me to either go faster or move over or be followed by me for 100 miles. Here's the rain again on I-75 heading south towards the Immokalee Seminole Casino. And the only good thing about this rain, it's a great bug wash. Gets all those bugs off the front end of my car without me having to soak them and scrub them off. In this kind of rain, the only thing you can follow is the tail lights up in front of you and follow the yellow brick road on the left. And you got to get your eyesight real close down on the wiper where it's the most clearest. But this is called follow the yellow brick road.